look raggedy. I gotta stop coming on here like this, y'all. Anyway, one moment. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't mind the mess in the back. I hope it ain't no mess in the back. Hold on, let me. Okay. What is up, guys? I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack and ship orders today. I'm not going to do everything on cam because I do have a lot to do and I am running behind. I'm running like 30 minutes to an hour behind. So yeah, so right now I'm going to show you step by step on how I ship orders. People might not do it like me, but this is how I do it. Okay, period. I'm not going to really show you guys like too much because of course people's information is of course like showing and stuff like that, but I'm going to show you guys pretty much what I do. So basically I'm packing orders from Shopify, I'm packing orders from Big Cartel, I'm packing orders from Etsy. What else? Yes, I'm packing orders for all three of those. Okay, cool. Okay, so basically, let me show you guys. So basically right now I'm packing orders from KE Cosmetics. That is our cosmetics business. We have lashes, we have hair growth oil and all that good stuff. You want to go check us out. The links will be in the description for every shop that I have, guys. The support has been great over here on YouTube, so I'm going to keep it up. Period. So she ordered our 2-ounce hair growth oil. So what we're gonna do is we already got our packing slips ready to print. So all we're gonna do is print it. Okay. Period. So while I print that, I'm gonna show you guys how I print. File. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press file. Then you're gonna do print. This is low key mini tutorials to a lot of stuff. I know I look, ooh, baby. Let me sit y'all back down over there, baby. Whew, I gotta come over here with a full face. That's why I just like not been really doing YouTube because I be feeling like I have to come over here with a full face. Anyway, KE Cosmetics really didn't get too many orders this weekend. It's not really that, you know, it really doesn't. You know, so I'm gonna show you guys really quickly. I just printed them. So this person, okay, cool. So you guys, y'all are in luck because one of the orders I want to pack on TikTok, and I'm going to show you guys, where's my phone in my hand. What am I doing? I'm going to show you guys how I pack that order on TikTok and how I create content and the steps I take or whatever. I'm not going to thoroughly explain because I'm going to do a whole little video on it on how to grow on, not how to grow, but how to create content. Well, that too, how to grow and how to create content on TikTok and Instagram. Okay, cool. So the order I'm going to pack for you guys is her name is Joyce. I'm not gonna put her whole name out there. She just made my day when she ordered 3 of our hair growth oils. So if you did not know, we just released 2 hair growth oil. We really didn't pipe it up too much. It was like a spur of the moment thing. And yeah, so I dropped it. She's the first person officially, because I just dropped it a couple days ago. She's the first person officially to buy all 3 oils in one order. Thank you so much, girl. Just for that, I felt like I should give you a free gift, and I'm going to do that. So even though KE Cosmetics is not a part of KE Accessories, I'm going to give you a free scoop from KE Accessories for being that first person to order all 3 hair growth oils. So I already got them pre-together or whatever. So this is the 3 hair growth oils. She ordered the lavender one, she ordered the rapid hair growth oil, and she ordered the marigold hair growth oil. So she ordered all 3, and all 3 are now available. These are $5 to $7. Of course the newer ones are, you know, more. So I have my pink bubble mailer, I have my business card and all that good stuff. I have her packing slip, and I also have the free scoop stuff over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you guys to like where I record my videos, and I'm going to show you guys how a little bit of how I record for TikTok. It's not what I show you guys is not all that goes into it, okay? So don't just try to figure it out. Boom. Y'all see how I got the ring light? Y'all see how I got a plain background? Not all the time you have to have an abstract background. Not all the time you have to have a good looking background. Well, not good looking, but not all the time you have to have something in the background. Sometimes you just have like a plain wall and some good lighting, and it makes your product pop, because they're not trying to focus. You don't want the people to focus on like the background. You want people to focus actually on your products, okay? Okay, that's basically it. Okay, that's basically it. That's basically it. Girl. That's basically it. Basically, that's how I record some of my content. When I do pack and order videos, it's like on my other business, it's a little different. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to add her hair growth oils in here. I'm going to put a fragile sticker on here, of course, and later on down the line we're going to start doing mainly boxes for the hair growth oils, because I have got one report that one did burst, but she never sent me any proof, and I never got a complaint before. But just in case, we're gonna go ahead on and switch to the boxes. We do have some boxes over there, but I need to get some bigger ones for people that order like 3 at a time like these. Okay, Joyce, thank you so much, Miss Mamas. If you see this video, thank you so much. So basically, before I put the packing slip in there, I go ahead and write her name, and I write her last initial on the bag, and I write something else on there so I can know where it's from, period. Because you just put the name on there, you got multiple businesses or you got multiple things, you know, going on, blah, 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 blah. So this is my fragile stickers, guys. Y'all know I got them from Amazon, period. So most of the things, most of my shipping supplies, I get it from Amazon. Most of it's stuff on my mailers. Now I get my mailers from Uline now, because I have an account with them and I'm using them. We're not gonna talk about that. I'm dropping too many gems, period. So this next person, she ordered just a regular hair growth oil, and we have this. I also ran out. I thought I had more than what I had, so now I have to pre-make them, and they're probably gonna go out like in the next 2 days. That's it for Case My Cosmetics, though. I'm talking about somewhere else. They ordered hair growth oils on my other website, and I'm gonna just have to ship theirs out another day. So yeah, Sasha, thank you so much, girl. Y'all, I forgot to get her free scoop. I'm finna open it back up, like, period. Y'all see how easy it is for me to forget something when I start talking about something? Jesus, I forgot to get her free scoop. I'm finna go open it back up, because that's what we do around here. We keep our word. I keep my word. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her a free scoop, because she was the first person. I do stuff like this from time to time. Oh, I gotta waste a sticker and a mailer. Oh! Honestly, I could just open it back up and just seal it back up. That's what I want to do, because baby, we can't be wasting stuff over here. Don't worry, guys, it's not going to be open. All right, so she didn't technically order a scoop. She didn't technically order from K Accessories, but I'm doing this just to be nice. So basically, I just got a few items out of the free scoop bucket. I got a pair of lashes. I got a Pop-It. I got candy, sample lip gloss. I also got a scrunchie, and I also got these 2 cute bracelets. So I'm going to add that in with her order. And I hope she likes it. I might add a note in there too. Yeah, I'm going to add a note on her shipping our thing. So I'm gonna add a note. I'm gonna be like, thank you so much. Thank you for being the first to order all 3. Smiley face. I do stuff like that, period. I'm gonna cry. See, sealed up like nothing happened. I'm gonna put the shipping label on top, okay, so it won't open. So next we're going to, okay, one by one. I'm gonna turn my camera off. I'm gonna come back to you guys when I have stuff like a little more, yeah, when I got it a little more together, because I got baby, what time is it? I gotta go. I'm gonna show you guys how I pack my one more order, like wholesale and Etsy stuff. Then we gonna whoop-de-whoop, okay? The rest of it is gonna be time lapsed, okay? But yeah, y'all, I'm finna pack these orders and I'm finna come back and yeah, we finna go to the post office. And yeah, I got a surprise video I'm doing today. I don't know if I'm gonna drop it before this one or what. Oh yeah, oh no, look, oh no, baby. Okay, cool. Let me put my glasses on. Okay, y'all. So we have finished packing orders or whatever. Now we finna print the shipping labels. I don't know why I'm talking so loud. I just want to make sure you guys hear me. So this is the first set of shipping labels. I already did the other ones, and this is the second set that I'm finna print really quickly. Okay, cool. Once I print the shipping label, I just place it carefully on top, and that is it. And I put it into my little shipping bag, and that is all. That is all, people. That is it. So we're finna run to the post office, and then after that we're gonna run to a very special place. Hopefully we're able to get some. I'm not gonna tell you guys exactly what it is because I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to just say, oh, I'm gonna do it and then y'all don't never see the video, because I couldn't go. Okay, period. So when I'm actually shipping orders, I do not weigh every item. That is too much work, love. That's too much work, and I'm not doing it. So I do a guesstimate of so this so 3 and 1. Okay, cool. So I do a guesstimate about how much my packages weigh, and sometimes it be right, and sometimes they just charge me, you know what I'm saying, later on down the line. That's just it. They're gonna bill you, of course, but if you can't get if you cannot get the weight right, don't stress it. Don't sit here and try to weigh every item in your store and plug it in and all that extra stuff. It's not really needed unless it depends. It really does. It really do depends. It really do depends. It really does. Let me stop lying. It really does depend. Why is Bookie? Why is shipping prices going up, love? I don't like it. It seems like shipping is high as a mug. But yeah, so I don't do all of that. I use PowerShip as well. I do not ship orders with Shopify. So yeah, PowerShip is the easiest and cheapest for me. So yeah, if y'all looking for somewhere to ship your orders, use Pirate Ship, period. So after this, we're gonna go to the post office, and that is it for this video, guys. It's basically a short video. I will do a more in-depth video when we have like more orders to pack. This is like a little slight weekend or whatever. We just got a couple orders or whatever, so I just made this video as short as possible, but I also wanted to give you guys some gems and some details as well. Okay, so labels, we finna label and we finna go to the post office. Okay guys, we are at the post office. I'm drop box shorty, you understand? You hear me? Yeah, I know. Oh, is it loud? Is my air loud? I think my air loud, y'all. Yeah, I know that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but my post office be real busy, you know what I'm saying? So All your packages are going out, period. So if you receive the tracking number, then you know your package been shipped, period. I feel like I be talking to sometimes, I be talking to my supporters sometimes. Oh, I feel like I be talking to my supporters sometimes. So I feel like I be talking to my customers on here. So of course, like, I know some of my people from Instagram and TikTok come over here. So yeah, that's why I be like, oh, y'all orders, period. Okay guys, I'm finna wrap it up. How many more packages left? Jesus Christ. Okay, so just a few. Okay. So that is it, y'all, for this video. I had fun with you guys. I enjoyed it. I just forgot how it feels to actually really do some content for y'all. Like, it's refreshing actually. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this video. If y'all see me looking up, I'm looking at myself, y'all. I've done messed around and got a camera that I can see myself in. But yeah, thank y'all so much for the support. Thank you so much if you watched this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.